Well, Abafethu, this is your boy, I'm King Shamase. Welcome to another brand new episode. Bafethu, after a long time, angihambi ke ngedwa as always. I'm with the legendary Usicelo Zume, my co-host actually. So we are back in the Danko disc. Sholos.
Hey ngiyaphila njani
Right,
after a very long time.
Hey, ndoda.
Sigcinene. We are
Yeah,
grateful to spare Pinecrest for an opportunity once again and to do another one ngoba
That's true.
uNkulunkulu sasigcinile. Siyabonga to everyone that misses us at home. Sesibuyile.
Yes, sir.
I believe that the energy is well nakuthina nathi we are looking forward ukuthi sinikeje nabalali bayinikeje nathi where
Yes.
we bring them more and more and more.
And thank you so much ukuthi niqhubeke guys, nibe consistent. Siyabona ama numbers are growing on our social medias kwisicelo kwi-Pinetown Super Cup na kwi-Take2 TV. Thank you so much. Kade sithathwe World Cup. That's why
Sonke for a month sithathe World Cup and we were supposed to be there.
Exactly.
Sibe ne-experience ukuthi njani. Hayi, but what a World Cup.
Yeah, ne?
Hey, what a World Cup.
Unpredictable one.
Ay.
But bayabheja abantu ayasho.
I think leni ibihlukile.
Yeah.
In a way ibina something that is like saying to me ukuthi this was another World Cup. In saying there were so many controversy emagemini
Ayibo.
as well as nje kunalento le lokuthi nje Argentina ngathi didn't deserve to be there. And we don't know, but angazi umlaleli uthini, but what a World Cup.
What a World Cup, Msholozi, from the beginning nje abafana beyoqala first game. Hey, we were so excited, the world, but the disappointment after South Africans ebona lineup.
I think it was more of ukuthi we expected to do well, and I believe that every nation got the World Cup, they've managed to do one thing that was very important, was to qualify.
Yeah.
And to qualify to and play in the FIFA World Cup, I think those boys' life zashintsha. We were grateful nje ukubabona bedlula for the first time kwi group stage. Singene kwi last 32. Obviously I felt ukuthi they could have gone all the way to last 16, but obviously it was not meant to be, and we are just fortunate nje ukuthi we still got a young team that can be rebuilt around it ukuthi ikwazi ukubuyela, and maybe they will even do more than what they did kulo nyaka esikuwona. But what a World Cup. Siyabonga nje to see such saphila where Messi dominates at his age, and we're just grateful for what the talent has got.
Yeah, ne? It's been an amazing race, even scoring goals lapha kwi race yo who's this guy
Mbappe
from Norway?
Haaland.
Unexpected, that one.
Yes. He will carry his team as well. Yeah, it was amazing. That's why ngithi this World Cup taught us ukuthi there is no nation manje that is small.
Exactly.
All the nation must be respected. Who thought that Brazil will be eliminated?
Very
early. and I believe they should do more in Brazil to get back to their winning ways and the Samba nation. I believe that they should be trying to look for solutions, because it's not like in Brazil what happened.
Yeah, kushubile naba no Yamal abayibekile phansi. The winning champions, Spain ubusibona ukuthi siza nabo lobabungozi from the beginning if you were watching this game.
To be honest, I thought that the main threat was France. For me, I thought no one will touch France. But obviously God proven us wrong and proven us otherwise. In Spain, yes, you could see, but mainly it was not a team that we were confident enough to say they will go all the way out. For me, I think France was standing a very better chance, and England was also standing a very better chance of going through to the final and winning it. Argentina, I know, not really. But Messi dominance was obviously going to be a factor, but I didn't expect them to go all the way and manage what they managed to do.
That's true. That's true. About the exposure, ngoba lapha sokuyi market, the biggest emhlabeni wonke endabeni yebhola. What do you see or what can you say about Rele's move?
I believe for me it will be a good move for him to go to Belgium, start and be jwayele environment qale ukuba se-Europe and those people bazokuphatha kahle, and I believe that that was considered more than anything else, and I felt ukuthi for me it's a good move for the boy. And we just wish ukuthi he continues to grow ngoba kahle kahle usa developer, so I feel like ukuthi he is in a proper structure to be developed to become a proper player.
That's good. And you remember ukuthi before that kwaye kwaba nomsindo okhoza ukuthi intwana ize yehlelwe i-self esteem and what not ngesikhathi kumuva onkotha ombokazi lapha emuva bethola ama opportunity, while people thought he deserves more ukuthi ahambe naye athole international signing. iPirates yamgcina yathi no boy the time is coming.
Yeah, as the saying goes, Shamas, ukuthi your path is not the same as Shamas.
Yeah.
So if abantu singa-understand lokho sithi God's timing is perfect, we must really know that God's timing is perfect. uNkulunkulu uzoyenza into ngesikhathi sakhe.
That's true.
That one we must learn. I know it's ukuthi kunzima kangakanani to be patient on it, but I do believe ukuthi that saying akusho wrong. If we could have gone, it could have been different, but now mayamba ngesikhathi lesi sasidalwe yilo omphethe, I think that's the most important one.
Powerful one, Msholozi. Sakhuluma ngokutravela ke kade sitravela nje one way.
Yes.
Sibuyile South Africa.
Saphinde satravel.
Take us through lapho.
Yeah, no, we went to Pretoria and a team under 9, under 11, under 13, under 15 and under 17. We went to a tournament in Johannesburg, in Pretoria, where it was hosted by Mkoro Milan, and then we played the tournament. Fortunately, our boys and girls, they show so much maturity. All of them qualified to play in the finals. So, but unfortunately, Ebola is Ebola. The only group that came as champions was under 9. And then under 11 lost in the final in the group stages. Under 13 lost in the finals. Under 15 lost in the finals, as well as under 17 lost in the finals. But it was a good experience for the boys and girls, as well as our parents that traveled with us to Johannesburg. Cold weather, very early mornings where you need to wake up and start playing football in a very cold weather. But I believe this experience will carry them through throughout their careers in football, and also in general, because football is not only ukuthi uzudlala ibhola, but it teaches values on you, ukuthi what is it that you can do and be responsible. So I believe that it was a very good tour, and we're grateful for everyone that played a huge part in us in making sure that the tour is a success.
What a powerful tour, Msholozi. It was amazing, and the support from the parents.
It was amazing. It was amazing. It was amazing.
Hayi bafethu no siyabonga guys ke akwapheli kunyaka sibuyile aphela uJuly right now. We are busy preparing for the biggest tournament that's happening in KZN. I won't say in Pinetown because this is so huge. Mele ngabe ngempela ibizwa ngelinye igama. But ke sikwazi ukulahla i-brand name.
Yes.
Yeah, Msholozi awusithathe through sibonile ade uqala lapha last week kwi-meeting preparing indaba yama teams.
Yes. No, we are grateful. Firstly, I want to thank God for the opportunities given us. Ukuthi sikwazi ukukhuluma ngePinetown Super Cup.
Yes.
Pinetown Super Cup ihlukile ke kunamanye ama cup.
True.
Pinetown Super Cup ihluke kanjani kunamanye ama cup? I will always tell coaches and everyone, Pinetown Super Cup is about development. Pinetown Super Cup, it caters for divisions from under 11, 13, 16, 19. We also have a huge tournament from the 31st of October to the 1st of November, which is Pinetown Super Cup Junior tournament.
Junior,
Le eqala yona ngo under 7, under 8, under 9, under 10. So that tournament is also huge because it also teaches us ukuthi kunalento ezayo. Kunale Super Cup le ezayo le namandla le everyone else ofuna ukuba iphathi yayo ufuna ube ingxenye yayo. Singakudalula sikusho la ukuthi Pinetown Super Cup ke isirun iminyaka wes11 lo nyaka sirun. We want to make sure that we upload abantu that are always there for us and coming in and doing things for us. Sicela nje ukuba mema bonke abantu umphakathi ukuthi let's embark on this cup and make sure that umuntu okuyona feels like ukuthi njoba ngise KZN angikwazi ukubuyela naye eGoli, angikwazi ukuya naye eBloemfontein, angikwazi ukuya naye eMpumalanga because the support these people are getting is huge. Let's come in numbers and support Pinetown Super Cup, which we promise that nethimba lethu sizokwenza show ukuthi everyone feels welcome, everyone ufila ukuthi le cup ngempela uyingxenye yayo. Akuyona yethu le cup yakho, eyami nami nawe yakho, yethu sonke, so kuyafana nje. Pinetown Super Cup ivuliweke ngo-August end of siyawasha ama-team wonke angenile ikhona ngempela isipend njengoba nisasibona sikhona. They are part of the initiatives and we appreciate Spare Pinecrest and Spare Sandy Center for the support Ubaba Mbovu they are giving to us. Nanamhlanje sila sizokhuluma iPinetown Super Cup through them, so support the page and make sure that uyalilandela ipage the Pinetown Super Cup.
Please
akukho konke,
please. No, siyabonga kakhulu Msholozi, that's true. Ama junior ke guys, so niphinde sinike cause next week siyaqhubeka nohlelo lwethu njengenjwayelo, so bese sinikeza ama details in detail ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. But ke kusabhaliswa nakusona isicelo for if unengane ekhaya ufisa ukuthi developeke yenzeke ngendlela right, come to our offices.
Nenhlanhla ke khona manje.
Okay,
uma ngabe umzali njengoba usasho ngesicelo, uma umzali ozojoin isicelo for the first time, isicelo sokofara something that is unique, something that engakaze yenzeke. What is happening here, uma ubona Spare loyalty card, Spare loyalty card lesi lento le izosiza abazali bethu nesicelo as organization ukuthi si embark ne-Spare incredible. So uNkulunkulu has done it once again whereby isicelo very amateur development izohlangana ne-Spare Pinecrest nase-Spare Sandy Center. Into yenzakalayo yini la Shamasi, umzali nomzali osayine kwisicelo uzoba naleli card,
alright,
yena nengane yakhe bobabili card lengane uhamba nengane yakhe uyodla uthola discount. 10% discount ukudla kwakho, 10% discount. It's huge.
Crazy.
Kule economy khona manje.
Nami la discount.
Discount mangabe shuthi yabo manje ukuthi noma uhamba mfethu ulikhipha leli card uzobuza umuntu ayibo indaba yakhe card bese yasho ukuthi mina am special ingane yami idlala kwisicelo. Siyabonga lapho.
No, sholo siyabonga kakhulu guys, khona leli card ngibonile khona abazali abake bangikhulumisa guys, siba la ePinetown Spare every Wednesday or Thursday. Sholo bangakwazi ukwathola lama card singekho Spare.
Bangakwazi ukwathola lama card singekho Spare, but they need to make sure ukuthi they contact us on our numbers as soon as you register. But even if ufuna ukusupport isicelo as an organization, you want to get a card for yourself, you can. We are more than welcome as long as we know ukuthi the implication is that this card which you use oftenly you will get rewards. So it's very important that you support us and then nathi sikwazi ukuthi sikhule njenge organization. It's very important. But okusijabulisile Shamasi ukuthi akuthina esenze lento, abazali abenze lento. We always have birthdays la Spare every month. Mhlaka 7 everyone is more than welcome to come to Spare again ukuthi kuzo celebrate a birthday from 7 of August. So let's make sure that we are embarking on those things. Yeah,
we call them Mama Shadow Nights, right?
Yes, Shadow Nights, yes.
Ntambama, right?
Yebo.
Yeah, so we'll keep you guys posted. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nisibekezelele and is welcome back, iqhubeke energy bemnandi nize bafethe Spare lo ola ePinecrest. Ilapho la sazeka khona kakhulu isicelo. Mawufikile nje washo ukuthi you are one of the family, even I treatment yakho izoba iVIP even ungakalithola ke leli card, but that will show ukuthi niyasilandela and you guys are coming in. Msholozi mhlambe ikuphe ngikukhohlwayo sesogoqa ngelamafubi.
We esinga-announce ile ukuthi vele ke as we've touched base and everything, but sikusho manje ukuthi sibuyile bakwethu.
Yes.
Sifuna ama questions. Remember this is about teaching.
Yes.
So buya futhi nama teaching wethu whereby sinitshele na World Cup usiboneni, sinitshele ukuthi yini lesicabanga ukuthi izosiza ingane yakho going forward. Remember kukhona into ebikhona ekuthiwa engine tournament.
Yeah.
I was part of it.
Yeah.
And ngenze show ukuthi ngiyababona abafana. Ngenze show ukuthi ngenze njani. I gave opportunity to another person again.
Yeah.
So I mean, like, I'm not only sitisifike la, but we're trying to explore and give opportunities to everything that we touch. So ingako ke sithi manje abantu abakhumbula isicelo sport sijimele New German. Silapha New German Sport Grounds, ufike nengane yakho, thola ikhadi lakho, uregister ingane, siyaqhubeka. Pantheon Super Cup izoqala ngomhla ka12, iphele ngomhla ka16 December. So make sure ama prizes ozowathola lapho kuyafiwa. Siyabonga and we think ukuthi uma ngabe ubuka njengamanje okubalekile abazali kufanele bakwazi ukuthi ingane yakhe idinga isupport yakho mzali. Ukuze ikwazi ukukhula, ikwazi ukuthi ibe umuntu ongcono kusasa. And engikushoyo ke manje ukuthi sibuya nje sizowinisa abantu kulawo kule ndawo le ababheja khona, sizobawinisa abantu. Premiership iyabuya, new signings. So khuluma ngama new signings, Chiefs iyasayina manje, kuyafiwa manje. So abantu ababe entertained, and let's make sure that we grow this page, sikhulisane ngaleli page ngoba ngempela iChiefs iyabuya kulonyaka.
That's true.
But ngibuka ukuthi iChiefs iyabuya kulonyaka abantu abayibona ihamba kancane ilanda uqweqo lomqeqeshi. Again umqeqeshi omncane le lando iChiefs. Next episode sikhuluma ngama signings. Mase sikhuluma ngokuthi wena ungenze njani ukwenza ingane yakho njengoba ama opportunities emaningi kangaka. What can you do when as a parent so that ingane yakho it stand a better chance of making it? Singaqamba manga bhola nemali. Umzwile le mali unamalini?
Hayi boy.
Umzwile ukuthi unamalini la ile ma?
Unamalini Florence?
Una 19. I think whether bathi whether more than or 5p.
Yes.
At 19 years.
That's crazy, man.
At 19.
That's crazy.
Uma ubuka yini ocabanga ukuthi uyayidinga. And then on a sad note ngesivale ngaphandle kokusho lento ukuthi asikwazanga ukuthi kwenzekeni namanje sisazibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. We want to pass our sincere condolences to Jaden Adams family, Grootman. We never intend to know this news ukuthi zosiphatha kabuhlungu kanje ngoba besibona umfana ekhula. That's why ngithi ungaba nako konke kodwa uma ungam invite lo muntu wakudala empilweni yakho ukuthi akunike make better decisions, we'll always get into ama situation so we don't want to see such news. Kusiphethe kabuhlungu kakhulu ngoba the boy was growing and we were looking ukuthi naye the next World Cup you will be really matured, but it wasn't to be. Ingawo ngithi on a sad note, let's try and sikhulume masinenkinga. Akukho kudlula lokho. So uJaden Adams will solely be missed and we wish ifamily yakhe ukuthi recover ngoba isikhathi esinzima kwifamily lesamanje where they are alone. Bekungcono bade besekhona abantu bekhuluma ngaye. Once umuntu sebeqala ukuthula ukukhuluma ngaye, then that's where you and as a family will feel being alone. Sithi nje enganeni yakhe shimayi akhule, and we wish all family a very best of success. Eventually uNkulunkulu abalaphe.
Hey, what a humble young guy. No man. But when it's time asikwazi ukuphika isikhathi saNkulunkulu, but lento ayishoyo umsholozi yasiza because njengoba hlangana ama camps amabhola, they enza ukuthi grow brotherhood, sisterhood and all of those things, ukwazi ukukeep isifuba ukuthi na challenge nginayo, because more money more problems guys.
lento ngene ngenxa le ma ukuthi he might have everything but uthola ukuthi he also human in nature.
Exactly.
So he also has feelings.
Exactly.
Ingako ngeke ngithi uMotsepe uyayidla iniphaya. I wish to know ukuthi kuba khona indaba creeper boy iphaya or they always prepare food for him because he's got such money and we always want to see these people ukuthi are they living like us in, but I think if you know manje ukuthi it's true they might be living like us. It's just that thina sesicabanga ukuthi baphila impilo ehluke kakhulu kunathi kanti nabo they also want to feel human as in us. Sikhuluma ngabantu ke laba ebaregarded as people that have got imali enkulu nabanye abantu. Yes.
Nomsholo siyabonga kakhulu for the wise words nokusikhumbuza nje with direction, always reminding and taking care of our kids. Sabazali phela na.
Yes, true.
So you know we're gonna see you guys on the next episode khona la kwiDanko Disc on Take 2 TV. If ubungaka subscribe ngicela wenze njalo. I-subscription ayiyona imali, isiza ukuthi wena uthola ama notification every time sine episode.
Yes.
For me I'm signing out as King Shamase. Sholos.
Cut and paste ikhona njalo cut and paste ePinetown kancane nje la isibrenda khona impahla. Please make sure ukuthi wenza njani kwiDanko podcast Take 2 TV isicelo Pinetown Super Cup cut and paste sindawonye nje sizama ukubranda yonke lento ifane. Make sure that we support us, support nathi. Siyabonga.
Danko.